Hi guys! Today on the Sneak Peek station, let's sneak peek inside top 5 best features of Google Pixel 4 in just 5 minutes.
Beep, beep.
First, new design. When it comes to overall design, the new Pixel 4 will have a larger top bezel/forehead, housing the hardware necessary for both a new face unlock and motion sense gesture system. In fact, Google published an entire blog post and video revealing the facial recognition tech in the Pixel 4, including a cutaway view of the phone's top bezel, showing the individual components that will live up there. Face Unlock won't just use Sol's radar for gestures, there's also a pair of infrared cameras, an IR flood illuminator, and dot projector. A bottom-firing speaker similar to that on the Pixel 3a and original Pixel is also present, so stereo front-facing speakers are gone. If it offers full stereo functionality, it will likely be more asymmetrical and similar to that used by the Galaxy S10 or OnePlus 7 Pro. The Pixel 4's display may also have the ability to compensate for ambient light color temperature, sort of like Apple's True Tone feature. Improved dual SIM functionality could also be present, though the precise type isn't known. It's likely dual SIM dual standby via the built-in eSIM. There is no rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, so it either doesn't have one, or it has been moved inside. Second, new cameras. The Pixel 4 will have 2 rear cameras. One of those may be a 16-megapixel and a telephoto configuration, based on details dug up in a teardown of a Google Camera APK. The small, barely visible cutout to the top of the rear square camera bump has been speculated to be a TOF, time of flight, sensor for determining distance, useful in applications like focusing or creating depth maps for software-based portrait mode effects. The telephoto camera may be able to take up to 8x zoom photos compared to the primary, though we aren't sure if that's purely optical or a mix of optical and digital zoom effects like the Pixel 3's super residential zoom. There may also be a new motion mode for capturing photos in fast-paced scenes with optimal quality, and Google is expected to further improve night sight's performance. The Pixel 4 XL has 2 front-facing cameras, like the one on Pixel 3 XL. These cameras will also likely support the P3 wide color gamut for photos, based on the details of a Google Camera app teardown.
Beep, beep.
Liking the content, press the like button. Subscribe to increase my subscribers, nothing else.
Beep, beep.
Third, improved face unlock and security. Sensors Android Q details revealed that a new face authentication system like Apple's Face ID was coming to the platform. Previous leaks indicated the big empty space to the right of the earpiece on the Pixel 4 XL renders could be for a Face ID-like biometric system for the Pixel 4, and Google has subsequently confirmed those details. Face Unlock is powered by 2 infrared cameras to each side of the earpiece, illuminating your face with a flood lamp and a dot projector. Sol's radar system works in tandem to trigger Face Unlock as you reach for it, and Google claims it will work in almost any orientation even if you're holding it upside down. Face data is only stored on device in the Titan M security chip. Fourth, improved display. Pixel 4 is expected to sport a 5.7-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. While the larger Pixel 4 XL will have a 6.3-inch OLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and the same 90 Hz refresh rate. Fifth, Android 10. Android 10. Like with past Pixel phones, the Pixel 4 line will be one of the first, if not the first, phones to run Android's latest OS. Up until this year, Google OS names were alphabetical, and the upcoming update was temporarily known as Android Q. We know now that its official name is Android 10, and it will reportedly have a system-wide dark mode, new permissions features, improved facial recognition and enhanced security.